students, how are you? Are you fine? Okay, today we are going to learn practice set 6.1. In practice set 6.1, we are already start the question number 6. In question number 6, we are learn problem 1 to 5. That is the sub questions 1 to 5 we are learn. Then we are going to learn the next problem in the question number 6 that. So here is the practice set 6.1 question number 6 1 to 5 that we are going to start. So what is the first problem in the question number 6? Prove that. Prove that means whatever be the given to the left hand side that may be shown towards the right hand side, means both sides you must be show the same, means LHS and RHS, means left hand side and RHS sides, both sides you can show same, that is called as the prove that. So first see the problem what is given. So this is the problem number 1, sin square theta divided by cos theta plus cos theta is equal to sec theta. So this is the left hand side, that is the sin square theta divided by cos theta plus cos theta is equal to sec theta. So when you solve these left hand sides, then your answer must be sec theta. Such a way you want to prove that. Or another way, suppose some of the students think that, sir, why not we solve sec theta and we get this? It is also possible. It's depend on you from which you want to prove that. But I am showing that left hand side, this left hand side sin square theta divided by cos theta plus cos theta, that side I want to show prove equal to sec theta. Okay, so see this is the cos theta, that cos theta having no denominator, so denominator is 1, so cos theta upon 1, because there is no denominator so we can take denominator 1. So see LHS side, this side we are taken, so I am say LHS, sin square theta divided by cos theta plus cos theta. So here is no denominator, so denominator 1. So what is the LCM? Cos theta 1 is cos theta, so LCM is cos theta. So which number term multiple 1, then you get cos theta multiply 1, then you get cos theta. Okay, so that's showing here the cos theta, here is no denominator, so 1, so cos theta 1 is cos theta, so denominator is cos theta. So here is cos theta, so here is multiply by 1 into sin square theta, you get sin square theta. This plus sign carry as it is. Here is only cos theta, here is no denominator, means denominator is 1, denominator is 1 there. Okay, so cos theta divided by 1, so here is the denominator 1, that is multiplying here to 1 multiplying cos theta. So cos theta into cos theta, what you get? So cos theta into cos theta, you get cos square theta. So sin square theta plus cos square theta, that you get the identity. See this sin square theta I carry as it is sin square theta, this plus sign I carry as it is. Here is cos theta, so that cos theta multiplying cos theta, then you get cos square theta. Is that clear? So sin square theta plus cos square theta divided by cos theta. Okay, divided by cos theta. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to what you get 1. So here is I write sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So 1 is remain as it is, 1 upon cos theta. So 1 upon cos theta is equal to what? So 1 upon cos theta is equal to sec theta. So see here is 1 upon cos theta. So 1 upon cos theta is equal to sec theta. I hope that you are understand. If you are not understand, I am again explain, but please give attention. So here is sin square theta divided by cos theta plus cos theta. Here is no denominator, means denominator 1. So here is cos theta, here is 1. So how can you find out cos theta into cos theta 1 is cos theta, you get cos theta. So LCM is cos theta, I write here cos theta. Which number multiple 1, then you get cos theta. So cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta. So here is sin square theta plus cos square theta divided by cos theta. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So here is we write 1 upon cos theta. So 1 upon cos theta is equal to what? So 1 upon cos theta is equal to sec theta. Are you understand? So simple, very easy that. Then we are going to learn problem number 2. So here is the both sides are same, LHS and RHS are same. So what you want to prove, that we prove here. Then we are going to solve second problem. So what is the second problem here? cos 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, here is cos square theta outside the bracket. So cos square theta into 1 plus tan square theta is equal to 1. So cos square theta 1 ja cos square theta. So you get cos square theta 1 ja cos square theta, means you get cos square theta. See, cos square theta into 1, what you get? Cos square theta 1 ja cos square theta. So you get cos square theta. Okay, then 1, this cos square theta into tan square theta. So cos square theta into tan square theta, that you get is equal to 1. So see here, cos square theta 1 ja, here is the LHS sides first, right here cos square theta into bracket 1 plus tan square theta. So this cos square theta multiplying 1, you get cos square theta plus cos square theta into tan square theta. So cos square tan square theta. So see, here is cos square theta 1 ja is remain as it is. We kept cos square theta as it is. We are not multiplying this cos square theta by 1. Why not? Because 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. That identity you know very well. 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta. So here is written 1 plus tan square theta is equal to what? Sec square theta. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to what? Sec square theta. So see, this cos square theta remain as it is. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. So I write here sec square theta. So cos square theta as it is into sec square theta means 1 upon cos square theta. Sec square theta is equal to 1 upon cos square theta. So they are said cos square means same condition is written. This step is written that square can be shown a bracket, but meaning is same. If you are kept as it is, no problem. Means if some of the student kept cos square theta into sec square theta as it is, no problem. So here is what are they doing? They are doing cos theta into sec theta. This cos square sec square, so bracket square they are doing. Okay, so see, cos theta into sec theta is equal to what? 1. So cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1. So cos square theta, cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1. So cos theta into sec theta, I put value 1, bracket square, so 1 square, so 1 square is 1. So 1 square is 1. Okay, whatever I solve here, that I explain, and I will show you, and I will explain another method also. So which you like, you are solve according to that method. See, cos square theta, so cos square theta carry as it is. 1 plus tan square theta, 1 plus tan square theta carry as it is. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. So 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Then cos square theta, sec square theta, both having same square square. So that can be write cos theta into sec theta, bracket square. Bracket square means you get cos square theta and sec square theta. So cos theta into sec theta, bracket square. So cos theta into sec theta is equal to what? 1. So here is the identity, cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1. So I write here 1 and bracket square. So 1 square. So 1 square is equal to what you get? 1. This is one method I explained, and another method is also possible here, which is that just see, cos square theta carry as it is. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta carry as it is. There is I write sec square theta. So cos square theta remain as it is into sec square theta means 1 upon cos square theta. 1 upon cos square theta. So this cos square theta, this cos square theta cancel. So what is remains? 1. Such a way it is also proved. Then problem number 3rd, which is that just see. So this is important problem. Remember that in the square root sign 1 minus sin theta divided 1 plus sin theta. Okay, in the square root sign there is written 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus sin theta. So this left hand side we are solve. Here is 1 plus sin theta. So what is opposite of 1 plus sin theta? Opposite of 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta. So that is multiply. So see here, this is the problem, 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus sin theta. So here is 1 plus sin theta. So what is the opposite of 1 plus sin theta? 1 minus sin theta. So there is one of the doubt, why you are taking opposite? Because you are learn in 9th standard conjunction sort. In the conjunction sort, if here is positive, then you can take negative. If here is negative, then you can take positive. Okay, so here is 1 plus sin theta, here is the plus theta, 1 plus sin theta. So what is opposite of plus? Minus. So here is I write 1 minus sin theta. So here is I write 1 minus sin theta. So 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta, that is multiply here. So this denominator multiply. So 1 minus sin theta multiplying denominator minus sin theta multiplying denominator, conjunction sort. So here is positive, so here is negative. 1 minus sin theta multiplying denominator, so 1 minus sin theta multiplying numerator. So 1 minus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta bracket square. So we are write 1 minus sin theta bracket square. Then here is 1 plus sin theta and here is 1 minus sin theta. So we are right here such a way 1 minus sin theta bracket square is remain as it is. 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta, that can be write such a way a plus b, a minus b is equal to a square plus b square. Means in the bracket if there is a square minus b square. So see, here is a plus b and here is a minus b, both are same but sign are different. So formula is a plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. According to this formula, first term square, first term 1, so first term square 1 square, here is sign are not same minus, so I write here minus. Second term square sin theta, so sin square theta. Are you understand? This 1 minus sin theta, this 1 minus sin theta, both are same. So 1 minus sin theta bracket square. So here is 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin square theta is equal to what you get? Cos square theta. So 1 minus sin square theta, I write here cos square theta. 1 minus sin square theta, you are getting 1 minus sin square theta is equal to you are getting cos square theta. So see, here is 1 minus sin square theta. 1 square means 1. So 1 minus sin square theta, 1 minus sin square theta. So you are getting cos theta. So I write here cos square theta because here is written that value 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. Then 1 minus sin theta bracket square. So that you want to solve here. So here is 1 taking square root 1 minus sin theta divided by cos theta. So first 1 upon cos theta, so I write here 1 upon cos theta. Middle term sign minus, so I give here minus sin theta upon cos theta, sin theta upon cos theta. So 1 upon cos theta means what you get? Sec theta. Okay, 1 upon cos theta. 1 upon cos theta means what you get? Sec theta. Then middle term sign minus, remain as it is. Sin theta into cos theta, sin theta divided by cos theta. So sin theta divided by cos theta is equal to tan theta. So that is written here, sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. Tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. RHS are same, LHS and RHS both are same. So we are going to learn problem number 4. Whatever it may be, just see. Sec theta minus cos theta, sec theta minus cos theta into cot theta plus tan theta. So you can solve this left hand side and get this answer, tan theta into sec theta. So first we can solve this sec theta multiplying this bracket. So I am showing that. How can I solve? So see, here is written this left hand side sec theta minus cos theta. See, sec theta minus cos theta into cot theta plus tan theta. So into cot theta plus tan theta. So sec theta is equal to what? Sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. So see here sec theta. So sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. So I write here sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta minus cos theta is equal to then cot theta. Cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sin theta. Cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sin theta. Tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. Tan theta is equal to what? See, this is the tan theta. So tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. Cot theta is equal to cos upon sin. Is that clear? So here is what can you get? 1 upon cos theta. So 1 upon cos theta is equal to sec theta. So see, here is written 1 upon cos theta is equal to what? Sec theta. So here is we are right that sec theta here. Sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. So see here 1, this is the cos theta, there is no denominator. So denominator no, so 1. So 1 is the denominator. So 1 is remain as it is. Denominator 1. Which number multiple 1? Then you get cos theta. Cos theta. So cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta. So here is you write 1 minus cos square theta divided by cos theta. divided by cos theta. Anyone doubts? Then see another bracket, cos theta means cos square theta plus sin square theta divided by sin theta plus sin square theta. How you get? You know that this is the cos sin theta, so that is multiplied by cos theta, so you get cos square theta. This is the cos theta, that is multiplied by sin theta, so sin square theta. So cos square theta plus sin square theta divided by cos theta into sin theta into cos theta. Okay, then another, see 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. Remember that is opposite. When you write 1 minus cos square theta, then you get sin square theta. When you write 1 minus sin square theta, then you get cos square theta. Okay, they are totally opposite to each other. Means when you write 1 minus cos square theta, answer is sin square theta. But when you write 1 minus sin square theta, answer is cos square theta. Okay, such a way. So 1 minus cos square theta, you get sin square theta. The denominator cos theta remain as it is. Then cos square theta plus sin square theta, this is the identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta, meaning is same, remember. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So I put here value 1, because cos square theta plus sin square theta, you are getting value 1. So I write here value 1. Then sin theta into cos theta. So sin theta into cos theta. So sin theta into cos theta, what you get? Sin theta into cos theta 1, but that identity means not taken. So that is denominator remain as it is. Are you understand how can I get this 1 cos square theta plus this one cos square theta plus sin square theta? So cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. So 1 upon sin theta upon cos square theta. 1 upon sin theta into cos theta is equal to sin square theta upon cos square theta, sin square theta upon cos theta. So see, there is sin square theta, here is sin theta. So here is 1 sin theta remains. Okay, so you getting answer sin theta upon cos theta. Nai sin theta upon cos theta. Okay, so you are getting answer sin theta upon cos theta. So see, sin square theta divided by cos theta, this is the denominator. Okay, so that denominator, and here is what, 1 upon sin theta into cos theta. So sin theta cancel. So here is remain only sin theta. Is that clear? See, sin square theta upon cos theta. So sin theta, this sin theta going to cancel. What is remain? Sin theta. Okay, divided by cos theta into this sin theta is cancelled with this sin square theta. What is remain? Cos theta. So 1 upon cos theta. Sin theta upon cos theta is equal to what? Sin theta upon cos theta is equal to what? Can you say me the answer? Yeah, tan theta. And 1 upon cos theta is equal to what? Sec theta. Such a way you have to do that what you want. Okay, so sin theta upon cos theta is equal to tan theta. 1 upon cos theta is equal to sec theta. Anyone doubts? Then ask me. Both sides are same. Then we are going to learn last problem in this lecture. So cot theta plus tan theta, is equal to cosec theta into sec theta. How many sides given? 2 sides. This is the left hand side, this is the right hand sides. So you can solve any sides. Some of the students, suppose clever student, they are said, sir, you are solve from left hand side. Okay, I am solve from right hand side. No problem. You can solve left side first or you can solve right side first. There is, you have choice. I am solve the left side first. So see, what is that? Cot theta. Cot theta is equal to cot theta plus tan theta. See, left hand side means cot theta plus tan theta. So cot theta, what is the value of cot theta? Value of cot theta is cos theta upon sin theta. Cot theta, what is the value of cot theta? Cot theta value is cos theta upon sin theta. What is the value of tan theta? Sin theta upon cos theta. So see, cot theta, cos theta upon sin theta. Tan theta, sin theta upon cos theta. So here is we can find out LCM. So sin theta into cos theta is the LCM. So here is the right, sin theta into cos theta is the LCM. So here is sin theta, which term is not having here? Cos. So cos theta multiplying sin theta. So cos theta into cos theta, what you get? Cos square theta. Cos theta into cos theta, what you get? Cos square theta. What is the denominator here? Cos theta. So which is multiply here? 1 into cos theta is here. So see, here is the sin theta. So which term is not here? Cos theta. So cos theta into cos theta, you get cos square theta. Here is the cos theta. Which term is not here? Sin theta. So sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta. So cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. So cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. So I write here 1. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. So 1 upon sin theta into 1 upon cos theta. 1 upon sin theta into 1 upon cos theta. 1 upon sin theta is equal to cosec theta. 1 upon sin theta into 1 upon cos theta. So what you can get, just see. 1 upon sin theta is equal to cosec theta. So I write here cosec theta. 1 upon sin theta value is cosec theta. 1 upon cos theta value is sec theta. Anyone doubts? 1 upon sin theta, cosec theta. So I write here cosec theta. 1 upon cos theta, sec theta. Such a way, this problem is completed. Both sides are showing same, left hand sides and right hand side. So the problem question number 6, problem numbers 1 to 5 is completed. I hope that you are understand these 5 problems. You are listen this lecture 3 times. After listen the lecture 3 times, you solve to try homework which is given on a screen. See, there is a screen. On this screen they are given homework. So you can solve the homework and send me on my WhatsApp number. Until some of the students are not subscribed channel, please subscribe channel, like channel, and if you are subscribed already, then you are share with your friends and say them to subscribe. Have a nice day. Hello.
Is double the words. Shutdown करूँ. काय changes केले? दोनशे. ठीक आहे. चालू इकडे खाली वरती